Welcome back to Mango Reader. Today we are going in, over and on the farm by Ethan Long. Get ready for some farm fun. Let's see what surprise we'll find. If you love farm adventures, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more fun stories. Come out to our farm for easy to read stories, lift the flap surprises and laugh out loud fun. In, over and on the farm by Ethan Long. This one is for Anne and Ron. Let me in! Rattle, rattle! Let me in! You have to stay out. But it is my coop. I'm sorry, hen, I cannot let you in. Why not? Let's check. We are already in. Jump over. Jump over. I cannot jump over. Then go under. I cannot go under either. What is wrong, hen? I cannot go over or under. Come with me. We will go around. I am on. I am on. I am not on. Now I am on. Look, now I am on too. Uh-oh. Bump! Splish! Boom! Now we are off. Can we go on again? Whoa, that was so much fun! That was a fun trip around the farm. Which part did you like the best? Over the barn or on the tractor? If you had fun, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome adventures. Until next time, keep having fun!